Akiheana ndumiriri yake kuri bururi muthenya wa ira, President William Ruto niareranire gwikira kirore mitaratara itiganite ya kiwatho ya guteithiriria thirikari hari kuongerera mbeca iria yonaga.
There is need to deploy our national assets available to us in creating public-private partnerships that will crowd in the enormous pool of private sector resources available regionally and globally.
Umuthi President niekirire mawatho mana kirore hamwe na mwarino wa kuongerera kigina kuri thirikari cia county, watho wa kuramata thoko ya kibesha, watho wigi ungania wa magoti na watho wa guteithiriria uria thirikari irihotaga kungania besha nyingaingi.
We will do this by using budgeted resources prudently and introducing a financing architecture that leverages capital markets, diversifies ownership through unlocking of national assets through privatization, and use PPP frameworks to channel private capital into public priorities.
Watho uyu wa guteithiriria thirikari kuongerera besha ugathikite mitaratara baranginyo ya gwikira hinya waragania na uhuthiri wa besha na njira iria yagiriire.
For decades, Kenya has privatized major public assets, from Kenya Airways to KenGen, from Kenya Re to Safaricom. Yet, we cannot point to enduring national assets built from privatization proceeds because the funds were absorbed into budgets and spent.
Riu honge citanyihire 65 cia thirikari ni cigukorwo cigituo cia andu kiumbe kugerera watho uyu mweru riri ari itemi ria kunyihia murigo munene kuri thirikari.
All proceeds from privatization will be ring-fenced, preserved and reinvested into new infrastructure and wealth-creating assets. When ownership shifts to the private sector for efficiency, the benefits to the public will not diminish, they will multiply.
Hamwe na honge iria cigutuo cia mundu kiumbe ni Kenya Literature Bureau, National Oil, Kenya Seed Company, Rivertex East Africa Limited, KICC na New KCC, na muoroto ni gukorwo mogaruruku maya makinyanire gukinyeria mweri wa gatatu mwaka ukite.
For every shilling invested from privatization proceeds, we aim to attract 10 shillings from long-term investors drawn from pension funds, sovereign partners, private equity, and development finance institutions. This multiplier will allow us to build critical infrastructure without adding to tax or debt burden.
Watho uyu wa kuongerera kigina kuri thirikari cia county uguteithiriria county kuongererwo ciringi bilioni 76 thiini wa mwaka uyu wa kigina. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani Wangũnjiri.